Now let's examine the two different types of service area business strategies. What kinds of businesses fall into those, and the challenges that typically are faced by service area businesses. So as we know, there are 6 local business models, and we're going to be looking at the 2 service area businesses. One of them is called service area single, or that is a service area with a single location. In this case, we can see examples such as your locksmith, or maybe there's a plumber, right? Businesses that might show up on Yelp commonly, where you're looking to get some work done on your home, or there's contractors, etc. There's a wide variety of small businesses that have one single location that service a broad area. Related to this would be the service area with multiple locations, or service area multiple. Here we have some examples such as large HVAC repairs, or large plumbing companies that have many different locations, or that service many different locations. Exterminators, statewide brands, things like that. Those fall into the service area with multiple locations, where you have one brand and multiple locations. Now, the big challenge with service area businesses relates to the ability to show up in those local pack results outside of the city or town where the business physical address is. So proximity here plays a role. Let's say, for example, I am in Seattle, Washington currently. Seattle, Washington has other large metropolitan areas in the vicinity, such as Tacoma, Bellevue, and Everett. And let's say that I am a plumbing contractor, or a roofer, or an exterminator that is willing to service any customer in that area. Okay. Or let's use another example. I am a pizza delivery company, and I'm located in one neighborhood, but I service many other neighborhoods. Now, you can imagine that the challenge relates to how people typically query for those services. In the case of an exterminator, I might use my city name, so exterminator in Seattle, versus if I am a pizza delivery, or I'm interested in having a pizza delivered, I might use my neighborhood name. And so all of a sudden, the geographic constraint is set there. So when you think about these service area businesses, consider what the search query types are like, what is the behavior that's associated with that, and the challenge with trying to rank somewhere that is not the same city, neighborhood, town, location as where your physical address is. Because you're not going to show up in those places, and there's strategies that have to be pursued to help that business show up or be known in those outlying areas in an organic way.